Welcome back to Nifty Garage. I'm Vince. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to install your sunroof drain kit on your M's, your Q's, your G's, anything you got with a sunroof, it's applicable for. We're going to be showing you guys why they leak, how to replace it. Let's get into the video. So these drain kits we actually make here in-house. You can pick them up on our website at sackcityautoparts.com. So if you did not know, your sunroof has 4 exit points for water. Each corner has a tube running to an exit. The problematic exit point is the passenger front. So right in here, this is actually your engine harness that runs through the firewall. Right up in here is the drain for the water, and it'll run down this harness and actually seek through the plug all the way down in your car, and that's what soaks your carpet, moistures your windows, starts molding things. It'll actually short your ECU, BCM, whatever you have down there, the water will get to it. So we can completely bypass that exit point. So these should be the only 2 tools that you're gonna need for the job. You're gonna need a clip remover and a blade of some sort, so we can cut our tube and remove some trims out of our way. All right, so the first step, we're gonna remove our inner A pillar. I always like to pull the seal down a little bit out of my way. We'll come under here with our clip remover. And we have one big green tab here that we will have to remove to get our A pillar out. So you're going to want to take a very thin pair of needle nose pliers, come under the clip and pinch, and then when you pull down, it will release this clip. We'll slide our A pillar out. So this is our problematic drain right here leading to the firewall. So we're going to undo our tape. All right, now with your tube undone from your clips, we're just going to pull up on the tube. Now we'll hang this off the side for now because I don't want to make any cuts yet. I want to line everything up and make sure we cut the right length off of this tube because we're going to tie our drain kit into this line here. All right, so next we're going to be removing this kick panel along with our cover panel here so we can pull our carpet back and run our drain kit. All right, we're going to take our clip remover, come under our kick panel, pull up, so we have 2 clips here, one on the bottom, one up top, and then there is a spin tab in the corner. All right, so now we're going to pull our carpet back. So I'm just going to lift up off of this clip here, pull my carpet back just enough to access this hose here, and this is our AC drain line that we're going to tie into for our drain to now go through this line and out through the floor. So now I will take my drain kit and I'll take the single exit, not the T, and I kind of want to bend this hose. It's going to want to curl. I'm kind of just going to work it so it's a little straighter, and it'll help me feed this tube up from the bottom up the back of my glove box to the top of this hole right here so that I can get a good reference on length and where I need to be cutting. So there's a cover panel right here underneath your glove box. The front will push down and then we'll slide it backwards out of our way just so that we have more room. Got it right here. All right, so now that our drain kit is fed from the bottom up, I will just move my hose on the firewall behind the harness so that I'm tucked as close to the firewall as possible so that when the carpet gets put back on, this hose isn't going to interfere. So as you can see, it's pressed right against the firewall. So our T-post is going to sit somewhere right here. I'm just going to make about a 1/2 inch cut out of our hose to fit the T. Looks like we're going to be making our cut somewhere about here so that we can fit this in just like so, and it's nice and tight. So let's take out our blade. I want my incision about here. And we'll fit our drain in just like this. All right, so that'll sit in there like that. This doesn't have pressure going through it, so as long as you have a couple rings, it's nice and tight. That's all you're gonna need. I like to throw the tape back over, so it'll sit just like that. And then we'll come down to our AC drain. It's gonna wanna sit somewhere about here. So I'm gonna make just about a 1/2 inch incision here and here. Slip one side in like this, and the other side. Now our drain kit is installed. This is gonna feed right down through the AC drain. You don't need to put clamps or anything like that because there is no pressure in this line, it's just water runoff. So it's time to test our drain kit, see if we did it correctly. All right, so now we're just gonna button everything up in reverse order that we took everything out. Last step, let's get our A-pillar back in. Even if your sunroof drain isn't leaking yet, I recommend doing this as a preventative measure because it will leak eventually. We got everything buttoned up. That's how you install our sunroof drain kits. We keep them in stock at all times at our website. If you got any other ideas or videos you want to see, let us know in the comments down below, and we'll see you guys next time.